Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my review on some of the products from Oriental Botanics, which is an Indian skincare hair care brand. It is made in India, so I'm so excited to be sharing it with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have two products here with me. The first one is the Aloe Vera Green Tea and Cucumber Eye Radiance Under Eye Gel Roll-On. This is how the outer packaging looks like. And the second product that I have is the Red Onion Hair Mask. So firstly, talking about the under eye gel, so I love the packaging of this. It's so compact and sleek, and I love the fact that it has this roll-on thingy which actually gives a cooling sensation on your under eyes and also on your lids. So I love to use this in the morning when like my eyes are really puffy. It really gets rid of the puffiness, which is amazing. Now talking about the ingredients, it has aloe vera and cucumber as their main ingredient, which are amazing for hydrating your skin. So if you have very dry under eyes, this is going to help you a lot. And apart from that, it also has hyaluronic acid, green tea extract, and a lot of different vitamins as well, which I think is a win-win. Also, this product has a gel consistency, so it gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. It does not leave it looking oily or greasy or sticky whatsoever. Today I used this before doing my makeup and my under eyes look really fresh, which of course all of us want, right? And my concealer, powder, everything glided on really easily on top of it. I did not have any problem whatsoever, so that's a good thing. And I've been using this product for over 2 weeks now, day as well as night, and I've been loving the way my under eye feels so fresh, not so puffed. So if you use this for a longer period of time, it will help in minimizing your fine lines and dark circles and everything. So I would highly recommend you all to give it a shot if you are looking for a good under eye cream. And also this is priced at 499 rupees for 15 ml of the product, which I think is a decent price for such a good under eye cream. So now talking about the second product, which is the Red Onion Hair Mask. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging. I love it. It looks so luxurious and high-end, right? So I love the packaging. It's very easy to use, hassle-free. Talking about the pricing, this retails for 699 rupees for 200 ml of the product, which I think is a decent price for a hair mask. This is going to last you for a really long time because you don't really need a lot of product. It lathers really nicely. Now talking about the actual product, this is meant for all the hair types. If you have colored hair, if you have curly hair, straight hair, treated hair, chemically treated hair, it would work for you, which I think is amazing. Like, they are really inclusive of that because not a lot of products work for like curly hair as well as straight hair at the same time. So I think that is really good. And again, this product is also paraben free, silicone free, mineral oil free, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, all of that good stuff. And I used it today on my hair, and I've just air dried my hair. I haven't used any heat on my hair whatsoever, and I've literally actually not even combed my hair. This is just straight out of the shower, and you can see my hair looks so much more voluminous, bouncy, and less frizzy. That's like the biggest plus point for this product. My hair actually feels less frizzy. I think it actually starts working on your hair from the first use itself. And also the most unique part about this product is that you're not supposed to use this only on your lens like other hair masks. You can also use it from your roots till your ends. So I think that's a great thing. It is actually mentioned on the packaging itself. I think even if you have baby hair and you want to get rid of that frizz as well, this would work really nicely for that. And it's high on hydration. It deeply nourishes and conditions your hair. I have colored hair, so my ends are like dead, like they're dead, dry, damaged, destroyed. So whenever I feel good about a product, I actually see the results instantly. So all in all, I love both the products. They are really good. They have amazing other products as well. I will leave a link to their website in the description box below in case you wanna check it out. And yeah, I hope this helped, and if it did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and also to click on the bell icon to get notified every time we put up a new video. And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.